For the next 6 months, become addicted to these 7 habits. You'll be unrecognizable by 2024. 1. Waking up at 5 a.m. Waking up early means you're already ahead of everyone else. Waking up earlier gives you more time to work out, plan your day, work on business, be more productive. It's a huge life hack and gives you more time to achieve your goals. 2. Take a 30-minute walk in nature. Nature is proven to help you get rid of anxiety, increase happiness, improve your mood. It's one of the best hacks for improving your day. 3. Writing down your thoughts before bed. Writing before bed will improve your quality of sleep. Here's what you can write down. Your goals for tomorrow. What you're grateful for. Any negative thoughts. This will improve your mental health dramatically. 4. Spend 1 hour a day exercising. To have a good mental health, you have to also have good physical health. 3 exercises that have the best results. Running, swimming, lifting weights. These will strengthen and tone your body fast. 5. Sit in silence 10 minutes a day. To have a good mental health, you have to also have good physical health. 6. Create a proper sleep schedule. Sleep is essential for you. Performance, mental health, reducing stress, improving your mood. Do this for deep and quality sleep. No screen 2 hours before bed. No eating 2 hours before bed. Make